Hello, welcome back to Aussie Coinage Hunters. Today I received my package from the Royal Australian Mint. I've already opened most part of it. It's a Banjo Paterson 50-cent coins. I've got 3 Walson Matildas. Mintage of 20,000. I also got the 3 coin set. Got 2 of them. With the 3 coin sets, there's only a mintage of 10,000 and 10,000 singles. I'll take a look inside. I actually really like these 50-cent coins. It's something unique and different. I believe it's only the second time the mint has minted a 50-cent coin in aluminium and bronze, which gives it that gold finish. Okay, thank you for watching.